Hello. We're going to begin this semester getting to know one another. First, let me tell you about myself. I'm a social worker, and I have worked with elders and their families in a nursing home. I am currently working full-time as a volunteer coordinator for a local hospice. My duties there include recruiting volunteers, training them, matching them with patients for their visits. The majority of patients on hospice services are elders. Now I'd like you to tell us about yourself. There are some questions here. Why are you in this class? What is your past experience with elders? What is your interest in gerontology? And what is the ideal job that you hope to work at when you graduate from college? We are going to be in groups for all our discussions, so there will be a smaller number of people that you are getting to know. I'm looking forward to meeting you.